Accounting at its most basic level is the information science that measures, records and communicates relevant business information to users of accounting information. With this definition in mind, accounting is often referred to as the language of business due to its ability to communicate important business information. Without a basic understanding of accounting, many important financial documents will be mysterious or incomprehensible to fully understand. For any individual who wants to use financial documents or have a career in the business world, a basic understanding of accounting is essential. As was stated above, accounting measures, records and communicates relevant business information. Since these three functions are the basis of accounting, we should explain each one in complete detail. The first step is to identify relevant business transactions that will need to be recorded. When relevant business transactions are identified, the next step is to measure those transactions by calculating a monetary value for the transactions. A specific set of criteria is used to perform the measuring process. Measurement can be a tricky area in accounting due to the difficulty of measuring certain transactions that might involve uncertainty. Relevant business transactions could be sales to customers, obtaining a loan from a bank, or the payment of wages to employees. A great deal of emphasis is placed on which transactions are relevant and to what extent they should be recorded. After the measurement has taken place, the transaction data must be written down, summarized and classified. Accounting information is recorded in ledgers. Ledgers can be in the form of a paper document or on a computer. The recording process can take place by a human manually recording the data, or it can be automated by a computer. When a business transaction is recorded, it is said to be recognized. Accounting information is useless unless it can communicate valuable information to internal or external users. The accounting information must be summarized into useful documents. In financial accounting, financial information is presented in the form of financial statements. For accounting information to be communicated effectively, it must be relevant, reliable and comparable. Information that cannot be quantified in the measuring process must be properly disclosed. The ultimate goal of accounting information is to allow users of that information to make effective decisions.